Hey guys and gals, Adventure Link here. Back again today with another unboxing video for you guys. This time I got the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I know it's last year's model, but I hope this generates a good amount of views and a good amount of watch time as well. These are all the sides of the package. The bottom side is where the IMEI, etc. and all that is. Kind of disappointed Samsung didn't decide to go with the wood grain design. I would have known who that would have impressed. A certain reviewer who reviews lazy games, if you take my meaning. So with that being said, the first thing you do is undo this sleeve here, if you can. There we go. Now there's a security tape on the side. Important. Ooh, it's important. It's tied to you, underrepresented. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Red tape, but in clear black. But yeah, you undo that tape, and there you go. Get some kind of IMEI sticker for returns. Keep that, please. Here's the some kind of back casing for it. Here's your grand prize of the Note 8. A new SIM card if you need it. I'm going to set this off to the side and dump this out because that's all the other goodies you get. This looks like a USB-C to... That's a USB on-the-go adapter. USB-C to USB-A. So keep that. So very important to keep that with you. Get a pair of headphones, which is cool. Here's your charging block. Ooh, it's a fast charger. Yay! What looks like some little clip here. A SIM card ejection tool. Plus all the other instruction pieces. Your USB Type-C cord. Let me see if I can open this real quick. Carefully, that is. Right, just the owner's manual, terms and conditions, etc. USB Type-C to micro USB adapter. So I guess this is it. This is it for the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I'm Adventure Link. Thanks for watching. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. All the stuff that helps me make a living here on YouTube. It tells me if I'm doing a good job or not, and I'm not making crappy videos. Don't forget the captain's bell. If I did a good job and you never want to miss a video again, be sure to ring it. Medical bill donation and social media are in the video description. Any amount helps out. As gained from the Grave Estate, it helps keep this channel and myself alive and undead. We'll sign off with the wise words of wisdom from Eric the Car Guy. Be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty. See you all next time. Have a nice day.